Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Hello, amigos. So today I will present my slide. So it contains Spain. So today I will explain about Spain and all the fact about Spain. Okay, next. Okay, first, I want to tell about Spain. So the capital city of Spain is Madrid, and the population approximately 47 million in 2022, and official language. So as you can see, these are the capital city of Madrid, the capital city of Spain. It's Madrid. And then next, okay, this flag. So start from red and yellow. So there's a detail. So it's a lion, maybe lion, and I don't know. I don't know what the meaning of this flag. Okay, next. Okay, next. So for the language, actually there's a lot of language. I think 6 language in Spain. Yes. So the official language is Castellano, and the national and local language there is Basque, Catalan, and Gallis. So actually, so mostly in Spain we use Castellano. Okay, next. Okay, next. The political system is using parliamentary monarchy. Yeah, I think we next. Okay, so next. So the president of Spain is King Felipe. Actually, the before King Felipe is King Juan, and the next is actually there's no vice president. So we move to the prime minister. The prime minister is Pedro Sanchez. Next. Okay, the currency is euro. So as in who know okay, we next lah. Okay. Okay, next I will tell you a religion in Spain. So in 2014, 69% of Spaniards identified themselves as Catholic. In 2020, the Union of Islamic Communities of Spain, or UCD, estimated that 4.45% of the total population of Spain was Muslim. So in Spain, mostly is Catholic, and Muslim is little bit, very little bit, very little. Okay, now we. So I will tell you 3 famous landmarks in Spain. So first is Cathedral Sevilla. So it's kind of uh what, how to say, gereja, maybe church in Sevilla. Next is Museum Guggenheim. And the last is Santiago Bernabeu. So Santiago Bernabeu is a stadium of Real Madrid. Okay. Next. Okay, the biggest mall in Spain. The biggest mall in Spain was Puerto Venecia. Uh, Venecia. So there is a like, how to say, wisata. Yeah, tourism place, and also mall. Next. Okay, college place. So actually there's a lot, but I recommend it you if you wanna study in Spain. So the most popular university is University Barcelona in Barcelona, and the second is University de Navarra, and the last is University San Pablo. Next. Okay, Spanish traditional food. So Okay, first is croquetas. Croquetas, like if you know croquette, so it's made from bread and I don't know, maybe like potato, I guess. And then the second, churros. Churros, the most famous traditional food, and it was very popular in Indonesia. Churros is made from bread, and the sauce is chocolate. And then the next is paella. Paella is like fried rice, but I think there are a lot of condiment here. Condiments like shrimp. Yeah, it's kind of like fried rice. And the last is tortilla espanola. Tortilla espanola is actually tortilla is from Mexico. So and but this a little bit from Mexico. So that's why the name is tortilla espanola because it is was made from bread. Made from egg. Next, okay, Spanish traditional beverage. Okay, so mostly is beer. Yeah. The first is sangria, and the second is rebujito. The third is horchata, and I think the healthy one is granizebo. It made from I don't know. I think pear maybe or apple. Next, sports in Spain, of course. If we talk about Spain is the most popular sport in Spain is football or soccer because it's very good in there and very big, very famous. Next is Spanish brands. So I will tell you four brands that was popular in Indonesia. So first Zara. So Zara is actually from Spanish, and the second is Balenciaga. It's a luxury brand. So actually it's from Spanish. And Louis, if you know Louis, is a kind of luxury brand and like kind of shoes, bags, and other. The last is Pull&Bear. So I think this is the most cheapest from all. Pull&Bear is the most cheapest. Yes, I know it's already popular in Indonesia. If you go to mall, there is. I think from all here is in there in Indonesia. Okay, wildlife in Spain. So this local animal in Spain. First is Lynx iberia, and the second is brown bear, and the last is gold eagle. Next. Okay, weather in Spain. So there are four seasons in Spain. First is primavera, spring, and the second verano or summer, and the third is otoño or autumn, and the last is invierno, winter. Okay. So in Spain, there is traditional house, namely paloza or finca. So finca is mean farm. So as you can see, the house is like agriculture, uh, farming lah, in paloza, namely finca. Next is okay. I will tell you four fun facts about Spain. So first, okay, in Spain there's all the oldest restaurant in the world is in Spain. So the name is I don't know, I forget. That's so the restaurant since 70s maybe. And then the second is the Spanish is the second most widely spoken language in the world. So after English, the Spanish is the second most widely spoken language in the world. And the third is in Spain, being naked in public is not illegal. Wow. And then the last is every year there are 150,000 tomatoes thrown at people. Okay, next. Okay, thank you. I think that's all from my presentation today. I hope you like it and enjoy it. That's all maybe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.